You are going to love the 2018 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.